Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a total room makeover for my sister's room, and it looks pretty cool, and in fact this is only $100. So we bought a lot of stuff under our $100 budget. Like we got vines, we got LED lights as you can see on the top of the room. We got plants, fake plants, because we can't really take care of real plants, and we have carpet, so if the soil falls on the carpet, that's a huge mess. And we bought, I think I already said vines. We bought a bookshelf, and a lot of the stuff we already had, like the ukulele, we just painted it black and put some wines in the middle. We had the bar stools. A lot of the stuff we already had, and we improvised the stuff that we already had. Let's go back in time. Day 1. Before, well, there were blankets on the floor and all that. Before we started recording, we actually put the blankets on top because it looked super bad. This is the clip of us cleaning everything up. We tried our best to clean everything up at the first day, but it's a very, very long process. It didn't take 1 day, it did not take 2 days, it did not take 3 days. It took almost 2 months to change this room. That's how bad this room is. If your room is not this messy, it's probably not going to take you that long. Okay, so my sister's sharpening the pencils while I'm doing other stuff, and I'll join her in a few seconds later. Yeah, a few seconds later. And this was pretty long. It looks pretty short here, but we did like times 100 and it looks this short. But in reality, it took us like 2-3 hours to finish all the stationery. The stationery is the hardest to clean up, especially because like we don't have stationery from last year or last year. We have stationery from when I was in first grade. So we cleaned everything up and it looks a lot better. And my sister's gonna go vacuum the whole room. It literally looks like I'm not doing any work, but I actually did a lot. So 50% of the credit goes to me. I just wasn't really around when we were recording, and this is our first day progress. Week 2. Hey guys, this is week 2. So we did all our cleaning and stationery, putting away, cleaning up on Saturday last week. Yeah. So Saturday, like after we finished all the work, like it was a lot of work suddenly. Like it's not like we do this every single day. So it was like we got really tired, so we just rested on Sunday, and then we had schoolwork from Monday to Friday. So now it's Saturday again, and we're gonna move some stuff. now my dad's going to put some LED lights, and as you can see, they're actually pretty cool. And it's not just that, there's some features like it goes with the rhythm of the music. Like the lights change with the rhythm of the music, which I'll show a little later, but yeah. Flash alert. Okay. So yeah, just wait 1 second. Yeah, this is what I mean by flash alert. Okay, one, and also the music. It goes with the music, and I'm not gonna be showing you guys the music for copyright issues, but yeah. So now I'll let my sister take over.
2,000 years later.
So I got these lines. So we went to Target and bought a few little additions to our room. We got this basket at Target, and same with the plant that comes. This is my personal favorite plant. The curtains you see behind the plant are from Amazon, and my mom fixed a tension rod and she put a curtain on top of that, and we'll leave the link for that in the description box below. So yeah, my mom helped us arrange the vines all around the room, and she did the part where she put vines in the guitar. She put vines near the bed around the whole room, and we added fairy lights and all that. And yeah, we just forgot to show that part, but we'll leave the link in the description for all these stuff if you want it. So this is just a guide so you guys don't overspend and get wrong things for your room and wrong stuff that you don't need, or get good stuff but you don't know where to put them or something like that. This is just to show you guys like an idea. Of course, you can do it exactly how we did it. You could do it differently, doesn't matter. But we have a pretty big room, and I feel like we did justice to the room. So if you liked any of the stuff, you can just go down in the description box and get all this stuff. And we did a little variation from the usually cooking videos. And instead of my mom, it's me and my sister. So if you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you later. Bye.